This is a 3-tiered or a 3-ball topiary that I absolutely love. Just planted it yesterday. And with topiaries, as you can see, they have to be groomed and require attention. So I want to also take you back inside to Topiary at Spring Hill Farm and show you some more different types of topiaries and to share even more history about these topiaries because they are so special and they're so beautiful. All right, so now we've got this cleaned up, so I can't wait to show you some of the other topiaries inside and continue to share the history of the topiaries. So before we go inside, this is another type of topiary, and I love this shape. This is the cone, and so it has to be groomed to continue to keep its shape. But again, I just planted it yesterday, and it's just going to be so beautiful, and it's going to continue to grow. So let me show you some more topiaries inside. Now, tippy toes, we've got to show them some of the different types of topiaries here at Spring Hill Farm. So right here, we've just got a single ball, and this is all preserved boxwoods in the clay pots, and then this is an oval, which is absolutely beautiful, and it can enhance any space. I just think that these are so versatile when you look at decor and things like that. But going back to some of the other history is that it was about putting order to nature. And so with that, the professional gardeners, back even in the Roman era, their gardens were very lavish and they would create all these different designs. One of the really great examples of that is the Leavenhall Gardens in England, and it is the largest topiary garden in the world. It's amazing what they do with not only the real boxwoods that I just showed you, but also the thing is that they're now taking the preserved boxwoods and they are literally shaping them into whatever design that you want. And I just think this is so special and so neat. There's just so many options here at Spring Hill Farm. And I really just can't wait for you to come see me and Tippy and come see and check out all of the different types of botanicals that we have, all the different shapes. We have the live and we have the preserved. So come out and see us at Spring Hill Farm, stop by Topiaries, and we will welcome you.